is the 22nd of May 2023. We have Talvikkirinne, Byrolabrinken. What was the number here?
7.
So staircase E, we started from the last staircase, staircase E to A, with 5 staircases here. Kone fixtures. Okay, best is 4 versus a 325 grams. With 4 floors, and it was built in 1989, turned 30 years old in 2019. And this number is H65956 and is here in Tikkurila, Vantaa, Helsinki, region, Uusimaa and Finland. Let's ride it. I like this weather here. It will be inspected next year, 2024. Nice fan sounds.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I like the sounds from the machine room.
Same.
I also like the fan sounds.
Yeah.
And maybe it's from the beginning of 1989. But should be back to him, that's it. I'll check the alarm bell.
That's